Hi dear friends, I'm Najim. I'm back with another conversation in Job Center. This conversation is very important for you guys. Most of the people have problems with questions and answers what they ask in Job Center. But most of the people don't know how to answer the questions and how do they ask the questions. Now I'm going to help you out the answers for those questions which seem to be very difficult, but in fact they are not difficult. Only you will have to focus on these questions and answers. Okay, let's join me for the full conversation in Job Center. The problem is going to be solved in just 5 minutes. Stay with me, watch the video. Let's go. Sachbearbeiter, guten Morgen. Wie kann ich Ihnen heute helfen? Clark, good morning. How can I help you today? Flüchtling, guten Morgen. Ich brauche Hilfe beim Ausfüllen dieses Formulas für meine Familie. Refugee, good morning. I need help filling out this form for my family. Okay, dear. Now you heard everything. I hope you don't have any problem till now. I'm going to the next part, next questions. Okay? Sachbearbeiter, natürlich. Fangen wir an. Können Sie mir bitte Ihren vollständigen Namen nennen? Clerk, of course. Let's start. Can you please tell me your full name? Flüchtling. Mein vollständiger Name ist Zazai Najim. My full name is Zazai Najim. Like this, you are going to answer the questions and how they ask the questions. You will have to practice this again and again with yourselves to get prepared for the answers and questions to be solved in Job Center. Okay, now I'm going to the next part. Stay with me. I hope you don't have any kind of problem till now. Sachbearbeiter, danke. Wie lautet Ihre aktuelle Adresse? Thank you. Now, what's your current address? Now, I have written here only Bergedorf. Ich wohne in Bergedorf. Refugee, I live in Bergedorf, but you will have to give the street name of the street, house number, and postal code with city. Okay, I have written here only in shortcut, but you will have to give complete address here. It is very important. Street number, house number, postal code, and city. These are the important things in your address. Okay, let's go. Sachbearbeiter. Und Ihre Familienstand? Sind Sie verheiratet, ledig oder verwitwet? Clerk. And your marital status? Are you married, single or widowed? Flüchtling. Ich bin verheiratet. Refugee. I am married. Now you are going to tell about your marital status. If you're single, you are going to say single. If you are married, you are going to say if I'm married. And verwitwet, widowed, these are the for the women. They are going to answer the questions. Okay, it is the very important questions here. You will have to focus on this. Don't miss with one another. Okay, it is very important. You are going to give the correct information here. Let's go to the next question. Sachbearbeiter. Good. Bitte nennen Sie die Namen und das Alter Ihrer Familienmitglieder. Clark. Good. Now please provide the names and ages of your family members. Flüchtling. Der Name meiner Frau ist Anna. Sie ist 30 Jahre alt. Mein Sohn heißt Tom. Er ist 15 Jahre alt. Complete name, years, and the name of your son. If you have daughter, everything. Complete information of your family. Refugee. My wife's name is Anna. She is 30 years old. My son's name is Tom. He is 15 years old. Complete information about them. Next question. Sachbearbeiter. Vielen Dank. Wohnen Sie alle unter derselben Adresse? Thank you. Do you all live at the same address? Flüchtling. Ja, wir wohnen zusammen. Refugee. Yes, we live together. It is a very important questions. Now, most of the people here in Germany, they are living alone. For your means Father live in one home, mother lives in another home. Therefore, if all of you are living together, you will have to answer this one. Okay, if you live separately, you are going to give the addresses. Be careful about these questions. Don't mess with one another. Okay, I hope you understand and you got these questions and the answers. Let's come to the next part. Sag mir weiter. Perfekt. Haben Sie zuletzt eine Telefonnummer oder E-Mail-Adresse für den Kontakt? Clerk. Perfect. Lastly, do you have a phone number or an email address for contact? Flüchtling. Ja, meine Telefonnummer ist, you are going to give your telephone number, mobile number. Und meine E-Mail-Adresse ist, now email, you are going to give your email. Yes, my phone number is number, the same thing, and my email is, now you are going to give your complete correct email and the phone number, mobile number. If you're working in office, you are going to give your office number. If you have mobile number, you are going to give your mobile number, like this is information which is very important. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you got it. You don't have any questions. Let's go to the next part. Super. Das sind alle Informationen, die wir brauchen. Ich werde das Formular für Sie bearbeiten. Kann ich Ihnen sonst noch helfen? Clark. Great. That's all the information we need. I will process this form for you. Is there anything else I can help you with? Now, he got all the information what he needed. After this, you're going to say thank you, and it will take a few days till he works on that and provide it to you again after filling the forms. Okay, this was the easiest way how to fill the form, how to give information, how to talk in job center. Like this you have learned how to talk, how to fill the forms, how and which way you are going to do everything. Okay, let's come to the last one. Flüchtling, nein, danke für Ihre Hilfe. No, thank you for your help. Sag mir weiter. Gern geschehen. Einen schönen Tag noch. You're welcome. Have a good day. It was the end of this conversation. I hope it was very helpful for you. Now you can fill the forms. Now you can answer the questions which is asked in job center. Most of the people had problems, but after hearing this conversation, they won't have any kind of problems in job center. This video is for all those people who speaks English, who can help themselves but they cannot speak German. Now look, German English conversation. For German English conversation in 5 minutes in job center. If you like my video, please subscribe techzazai, give comments, tell me if you have learned everything, if you had a problem with the questions or answers. If you liked it, give a like, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel. I'm waiting for your comments. Thank you very much.